Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the screen time passcode in this device. Simply go to settings, scroll down, here you can see the option screen time, tap on this one. Again scroll down, here you can see the option change screen time passcode. Okay, tap on this one. Then from here you need to select the option change screen time passcode. Tap on this one. So here we need to enter our old screen time passcode. If you remember this, then you need to enter here. If you forgot this one, then tap on the option forgot password. So here I am going to enter the screen time passcode. So here next after this one, after entering the old screen time passcode, next we need how to enter the new screen time passcode. So here I am going to enter, again confirm. Now successfully the screen time passcode is changed. So simply in this way you can change the screen time passcode in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.